Thinking About You by Radiohead is played in standard tuning without a capo. For the main chord progression in this song, we're going to be using a G, a C at 9, a D with an F sharp in the bass, an E minor 7, and then a little passing F sharp going to G again. For the strumming pattern, we're going to start on a G major chord. We've got the second finger, low E string, 3rd fret, first finger, 2nd fret, the A, 3rd finger, 3rd fret, the B, and the pinky finger on the high E string at the 3rd fret. The G and D strings are open. And for the strumming, we're going to strum down, up, down, down, up, down. 1 and na, 2 and na, 3 and na, na. Down, up, down, down, up, down. On the 4th beat, we're going to move the fingers 1 and 2 down the string set to 3rd fret on the A and 2nd fret on the D. This is a C at 9 chord. I'm going to strum down, down, up, just from the A string down there. Down, down, up. So it'll be G, down, up, down, down, up, down. C at 9, down. Down, up, down, down, up, down. C at 9, down. This is going to be the main strumming pattern throughout the entire song. So G, down, up, down, down, up, down. C at 9, down. We've also got an accent on the 1, the 2 and the 4. So it'll be accent, up, down, accent, up, down, accent, down. So we've got an accent on that first beat of the change as well. So an accent is just a stronger strum really. So for the G, accent, up, down, accent, up, down, accent, down, accent. Times before we move to a D with an F sharp in the bass, just like a standard D chord but with the thumb grabbing the 2nd fret on the low E string. But if you can't grab that, or if your hand's not big enough or it feels uncomfortable, a D chord is fine. And a D chord is an open D string, 1st finger, 2nd fret of the G string, 3rd finger, 3rd fret of the B, and the 2nd finger on the high E string at the 2nd fret. And like I said, if you can grab the 2nd fret on the low E string with the thumb, that'll give you that bass movement that's quite important in this song. And the strumming is the same, accent, up, down, accent, up, down, accent, down. So the only difference is we're not changing chord here, we're just sitting on the D over F sharp. Down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up. Then we'll move to an E minor 7. We're going to add the pinky finger to the 3rd fret of the high E string, and then move fingers 1 and 2 to the 2nd fret of the A string and 2nd fret of the D string, and we play the other strings as open. And again here we're playing the first 3 beats as an E minor 7 chord before we're going to go to this F sharp over the top part of a G chord. So we've got the E minor 7, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And we'll take fingers 1 and 2 off. First finger goes to 2nd fret on the low E string, and fingers 3 and 4 stay where they were. We've got that down, down, up. So E minor 7, down, up, down, down, up, down, bass to that G chord where we go from G to C at 9 twice more. So slowly from the D over F sharp is down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 E minor 7, bass movement to the G, C at 9, G. And the whole main chord progression played slowly is this G, accent, up, down, C at 9, back through the G, C at 9, G, C at 9, G, C at 9, D over F sharp, E minor 7, bass note G, C at 9, G. For the chorus in this song, we're going to introduce some new chords, although the strumming pattern stays pretty much consistent. So we start on a C major chord. We've got 3rd finger, 3rd fret the A, 2nd finger, 2nd fret the D, 1st finger, 1st fret the B, G and high E strings are open. And for the first 3 beats, we have exactly the same strumming pattern as the verse. Down, up, down, down, up, down. And for beat 4, we're just going to take the 1st finger off the B string to have a C major 7 chord and strum down, down. something like a double accent here. Down, down. So C, up, down, down, up, down, accent C, down, down, up, down, off, C, up, down, off. And for the fourth bar, we do have a different rhythm. We have finger on, down, up, off, on, up, off, accent, down. So it's the same rhythm. We've just got the first finger coming on and off between a C and a C major 7. So it's on, off, on, off, off. And then we go to this beautiful G major 7 of the B chord, which is second finger, second fret of the A string, and third finger, second fret of the high E string. The G, D, and B strings are open in this chord. Strumming is the same as the verse, accent, up, down, accent, down, up. Before we move back to our C add 9 chord, you can actually play this without the first string as well as a C sus2 chord, which we're going to use in a couple bars time. So for the C add 9 here, we have down, up, down, down, up, down, down, for 2 bars. And then we're going to do the C sus2 to a G over B, which is actually just moving the first and second fingers there. So for the C sus2, we have third fret on the A, third fret on the B, and high E. And for the G over B, it's the same, except for we have the first finger on the second fret of the A string. And we're going to swap between these two chords every 2 strums. So it'll be down, up on the C sus2, moving down to the second fret, down, up, and then down on the C sus2, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, and just swapping every 2 strums. So we'd have the C sus2, down, up, and then on the G over B for down, and then down on the C sus2, up, and then down, up on the G over B, down, up on the C over 2, and down, up on the G over B. Slowly. Back through the G chord and the main chord progression. The whole chorus slowly is that C major 7 3 times. And one more time. For more guitar tutorials, please check out this link here. Thanks for watching, happy practicing, and take care.